Hey there, ready to connect your checking account to Fidelity for easy transfers? Linking your bank is a one-time setup that unlocks seamless funding and withdrawals. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to link it. Log into your Fidelity account and go to Accounts and Trade, greater than Transfers. Click Link a new bank account. You'll enter your bank's routing number and your account number. Fidelity will then make 2 small test deposits, usually under $1, into that account. In 2 to 3 business days, you verify those exact amounts back in Fidelity to confirm ownership and activate the link. My crucial pro tip: link a checking account, not a savings. Many savings accounts have limits on outgoing electronic transfers. Using your primary checking account ensures smooth, unlimited transactions to and from your Fidelity account. Just like that, you create a secure financial pipeline. Do you link all your financial accounts for a unified view, or do you prefer to keep them separate? Let me know in the comments. For more tips on connecting your financial life, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.